Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Repl.it and creating a new JavaScript REPL. Pick the plain JavaScript template so nothing extra interferes. Once created, name the project and set privacy, public or private depending on sharing needs. Now, focus on the editor, open index, JS and package, JSON if present. This is where you'll write code and declare dependencies. Start with a small console. Log to verify runtime. Make sure the Run button appears and that the console is visible so you can see output immediately. Next, install any NPM packages you need. Either add them in package, JSON or run npm install in the Repl.it console. Once dependencies are ready, structure your project. Create a SRC folder for main code, tests for unit checks, and public for static assets. Modularize functions into separate files and use require or import consistently. Adjust the Repl.it file to set a custom run command such as node src/index JS so the run button executes your entry point. This keeps runs predictable and easy to debug. Finally, run the app and read the console for errors. Start by fixing the first error reported and rerun. Use console. Log strategically and the Repl.it debugger to step through problem spots. Make small, isolated changes to verify fixes rather than sweeping edits. When ready to share, use Repl.it's deploy feature or export the repo and host elsewhere. If something breaks, check environment variables, reboot the REPL, and reinstall node modules. Permissions or missing deps are the most common culprits to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.